Police roadblocks have resurfaced across Zimbabwe, with the citizens complaining that law enforcement officers are using them to extort money from motorists. Sana pana mashoko anobuda panyuka pana pachinzi police roadblocks emerge amid coup fears. Inotibo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pa manobuda nyoka mchinzi. These concerns come at a time when the Zimbabwe army deployed more than 20 tanks onto the streets of Harare on Wednesday. Authorities have claimed the tanks were part of routine military drills, but the timing has fueled speculation of potential political instability. This development, coupled with a statement from the Home Affairs Minister Kazimbe confirming that police roadblocks would remain in place, has intensified coup fears among Zimbabweans. Many recall similar circumstances preceding the 2017 coup that ousted long-time ruler Robert Mugabe. In a statement, Kazembe, like the army officers who defended the presence of the tanks, justified the decision to continue with the police roadblocks and patrols. He cited public safety concerns and the necessity of maintaining law and order on the roads. In quotes, our people complain when police presence increases, and they complain when it is reduced. We have resolved to let the law guide us. The police will enforce regulations firmly, whether people complain or not. Technology does not discriminate. It does not care about your face, relationship, or status. It ensures fairness and holds everyone accountable. By the end of this year, we will have this solution in place and it will end the chaos on our roads. Tomashukana chikomiro pana pana Kazimbe pamusoro aiwape kudeploya kurito mapurisa across the country. Mbudza mafunguro enyu kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, chinotomba bell icon.